Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari reaction for another reaction video. How you guys doing? So guys, I'm back again with another reaction video to the group Now United, and I believe this is for the boys, Bailey, Josh, Noah, and Christian. Live This Moment music video. I think I got the name right. Right? I think I got it right. Come on.
Every morning all around us is a new day. Breathing in, it's up to us to find our own way. Take a chance with something new, you gotta be brave. Yeah, you know you gotta be brave. Not afraid to take it further than we ever did. Got a vision and we're pushing it beyond the grid. There's no limit cause we're
You better give me K-pop, C-pop, J-pop, I-pop, M-pop.
Don't be afraid to break it through. To take a chance at something new. Something that you
Come on, Josh. Noah. Oh man. This way.
No more looking back at yesterday.
This moment. This moment.
It's okay to just be in it for a good time. Look around and
Christian, I am shook.
for us to feel the sunshine.
Shook.
Yeah, it's time to feel the sunshine. Don't be afraid of breaking through. To take your chances.
It's right for you.
Something that you will never do. Oh yeah. Now's the time to let
This
ourselves be
way.
out. We're above the world, up in the clouds. Do it for the love of life right now.
This moment.
Riding on this high we can't explain. Never gonna let this feeling fade. No more looking back at yesterday. Gotta live this moment.
Oh my god, Josh looks so. I love me some Josh when he had moment.
Don't look back at all.
Yes, Josh.
Keep it moving with the flow. Set your mind above the pressure.
Yes.
Just take it slow.
Oh.
We can let this moment.
Come on, Callie.
Doesn't matter where we go. We don't got no.
Come on, Phillies to London.
Now's the time to let ourselves be loud. We're above the world, up in the clouds.
Come on.
Love for life right now.
Come on. Live this moment.
Riding on this high we can't
This way.
Never gonna let this feeling
This way. Oh.
looking back at yesterday.
Gonna live this moment. This moment. Come on. Canada, California, Phillips to London, and China. Boom. Okay. Let's clap for the boys. If I can remember correctly, Christian is from China, Noah is from Cali, Bailey is from Philippines, who lives in London, and Josh from Canada, who lives here in this state. I give it up. I really do like it, Christian. Ooh, you just give me that K-pop vibes, sir. But I represent the C-pops. Love it. So that was my personal recommendation. I saw it and I was like, oh, this is. Go watch this music video. I love it. As always, I do like to see Josh. He's 18. Because you know what you know how guys feels when it comes to under 18. I'm like, they're cute. Not my cup of tea, but I think he's over 18. He's a very attractive young man. Blue eyes, blonde hair, live for it. And I love how when he dances, he's so passionate about it. And he enjoys it so much. And I can feel it while he's dancing, which is really why I love him so much. This is something that he really likes to do. And I'm proud of that. Love you, Josh. As always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I'll get to it soon. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.